Hey everyone, welcome back to CR Release TV, your go-to channel for all things classic and modern cars. Today, we've got something truly special, one of the oldest surviving examples of a British automotive icon. If you're a fan of classic cars, history, and immaculate restorations, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into the incredible history of this car, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. You won't want to miss any of our upcoming releases. Now, let's talk about this beauty, a superb Tourer, one of the earliest survivors still running in the UK. The Morris Minor Owners Club has confirmed that this specific car is the second earliest known to still exist in the country. Built in September 1949, it was originally dispatched to Th. Nice & Co. Limited, a Morris dealership in Ely, Cambridgeshire. And get this, it's finished in its original color, romaine green, with beige trim and a matching hood. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of British history. The attention to detail in its restoration is stunning, and it's clear that no corners were cut. The car's in first-class condition, maintaining the exacting specifications it had when it first rolled off the assembly line. The Morris Minor is more than just a car, it's a cultural institution. For many, it represents an era when British engineering was synonymous with reliability, simplicity, and charm. As a true icon of British motoring, it's ingrained in our national heritage. On the road, this charming Morris attracts attention everywhere it goes. Whether it's parked at a show or just cruising down the street, heads turn, and conversations start. It's a car that brings out nostalgia and admiration in equal measure. So, if you love vintage cars and want to see more incredible finds like this, make sure you're subscribed. Let us know in the comments if you've ever spotted one of these classics in person, and what you think about the Morris Minor's legacy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on CR Release TV.